To achieve something big, one needs to start small. Begin now, as desires are the beginning of every tiny and giant dream that turns into reality. Sit in a calm and peaceful state for a period of time so that you are more able to be with yourself, away from all the issues of everyday life. Use earphones to take complete benefit of the guided meditation. Close your eyes. Concentrate on your breathing. Relax your facial muscles. Straighten up your spine. See that your head is not tilted. You will see some colorful patterns in front of your eyes, or you can just see the darkness. Observe the sensation in your body. There could be tingling sensation in your body at places like hands, legs, thighs, face, etc. Just observe it. Feel the cold air entering your nostrils. Beauty is the purest feeling of the soul. Beauty arises when soul is satisfied. Meditation is soul satisfaction. Relax your body. The goal is to go beyond the mind and experience her essential nature, which is described as peace, happiness, and bliss. Just free your mind from all the worries and tensions. Be in the moment. Feel like you're flowing. Flow with the universe. Let your body relax completely. Your eyeballs are relaxed. Your tongue is resting in your mouth. Your facial muscles are completely relaxed. You are breathing softly. Soft inhalation, soft exhalation. You will observe mind can be the hurdle between our countless thoughts and the stage of peace at times. Do not worry, observe the thoughts. Watch them as you watch the street traffic. People come and go. You register without response. It may not be easy in the beginning, but with some practice you will find that your mind can function on many levels at the same time, and you can be aware of them all. Desires are the root cause of every good and bad thing happening in this world. Over time, you can become more aware of the human tendency to quickly judge an experience as good or bad, pleasant or unpleasant. With practice, an inner balance develops. You learn to remain neutral and not get affected by it, which is the ultimate goal. If you get lost in your thoughts, not to worry. Let your breath be the part to bring you back. Soft inhalation, soft exhalation. Do not get affected by what life throws on you, and do not be the victim of the circumstances. Instead, deal everything with a calm and relaxed mind. Meditation is not a part of any religion. It is a science, which means that the process of meditation follows a particular sequence, has definite concept, and produces results that can be verified. Only 1% of conscious mind is actually cultivated with what we learn, what we think, what we do. It is actually the unconscious mind which is of huge potential, the part of the mind that dreams and sleeps, the vast realm of the unconscious, which is the reservoir of all our experiences. So now, as your body and mind are in a relaxed state, feel a white light coming from the ultimate source and surrounding you. As this white light surrounds you, you feel negative and dark energies leaving your body in form of black light. Feel the dark energies leaving your body, your fear, your tension, jealousy, feeling of competition, feeling of loss, feeling of betrayal. Let yourself be free of all these unwanted experiences, emotions, beliefs, and feelings. As they leave your body, you observe this white supernatural light enters your body. With this light, the positivity, hopes, and supernatural power entering your body. Feel it all around your body, in every part and every ounce of your body. The warmth and pureness of this light makes you extraordinary. You see yourself as the only creator of your conditions. When you see yourself as the only creator of your conditions, you will see prospects and new ways to get to your goals and dreams all around you. Commitment to creating what you really want is the most important. Once your soul is satisfied, body is relaxed, you can focus. Mind is organized to getting what you really want. There is no looking back. There is no hurdle in your thought process. Your thought flows freely, and you must have it rightly manifested in your mind. Know what you want. Have faith. Keep it unwavering. Let no thought distract you. Let no one distract you in your purpose. See yourself as the only creator of your condition. Only creator. Keep breathing. Now come back slowly. You have just manifested something in your mind. Come back to reality and see it manifested in real world.